You guys catching all this crap? I'm trying to turn the music off. It is the 23rd. I don't have my glasses on. Let's make sure I'm recording. This is just a lot of craziness that's going on. I'm recording! Yay! And I'm barely, well, I don't say I'm barely rolling. I'm doing less than 45 miles per hour. I guess I should pay attention. February of all 23rds. This one is February 23rd of 2023, and it is, Spyder saying 73. I think it's yeah, 73. Yeah. Yeah, 74. It's a warm one in central Ohio yet again. And you just have to go for a ride. I think my boss left like a half a day early. He went golfing because he's a golfer. I'm not the king, so I can't leave half the day to go play. So I left about 15 minutes early. I went in 15 minutes early, got off a half hour early. I left at 4 today. I'm like, I just can't take it. My windows were down in the office. I heard all the motorcycles going by, and I was like, I'm leaving at 4. And now we are on the old F3. I just got back from the shop. They just did the recall pulley on it. And yeah, I mean, I want to pull the cover off because I just want to verify, you know, that the right color pulley's on there. But this thing is just a beast. I think they did a great job. I dropped it off on a Saturday because I couldn't drop it off on the Monday. And I picked it up on a Monday. So they only had it just, you know, a little bit. Oh yeah. And I am out just living. I've been a little crazy, so I haven't started to record until I'm down on Big Pine. I don't know where I'm at. Hocking Hills is just beautiful down here. You know, what a great view. Boom. Yeah, it's a good view. I could sit out there in the morning, out there on that porch, and yeah, that's nice. Boondock right down there by the little creek. Yeah, now we're talking. Sit out there Saturday mornings, get some beautiful weather. Maybe do some YouTube editing down there. That'd be awesome. A lot of these cabins down here you can actually rent and stay in them. It's just gorgeous. I need to I should drop gear, not up gear. I need to bring the 360 camera down here because there's just too much for me to look at, and I can just go through and then just pan away what I want to look at. I think those RVs, I think they are to where you can rent. And look at this. I think this property is just outright gorgeous. Got that little mini house thing going, all the windows in the front, got a little creek, a little pond. I mean, it just is amazing. But yeah, it's nice to have the old F3 back. It's just amazing how much better this thing handles. It is just, it's just amazing. I absolutely love it. I was being stupid. That's why I wasn't filming anything. And you can tell going from the 2015 up to the 2020, the amount of extra power steering that they put out. These bars, I mean, I can feel it when I get home in the shoulders a little bit, where the white F3 is just super smooth, super easy, that power steering. But if you drive this thing super nice and easy and you don't push it through corners, it's no big deal. Maybe when you first get on it, you're using muscles that you might not have used in a minute. But yeah, if you just drive it nice and civilized, look at that property. Isn't that cool? Right in there in that little valley, we got a creek and a cliff. I tell you, I could do it. But yeah, if you drive nice and easy and civilized, these things are super easy to ride. Even the older ones with the power steering, that's a little bit stiffer, a little harder to turn the bars. And I still say, if you can only have one F3 and you want something, okay, if you can only have one F3 and you want to do a little bit of everything, I would say the F3S, or if you can pick up a base model 2015, because the 2015s only the base models had the Fox shocks. So in 2016 they changed the front shocks, they put a different pulley on the back. So I would say 2015 and or an F3S, because then you would have cruise control. You could do touring. You know, you need cruise control if you're going to throw down 500 miles. Even though I got a throttle lock on this thing, you cannot beat cruise control. It is just so nice to set it. Now, if you're just doing what I'm doing, I would never set cruise unless I had to turn something on. But yeah, I would say the 2015 Can-Am Spyder F3 and or all the F3Ss. Because you can do anything. Absolutely anything. You know, if you want to do touring, pick up some Ultimate floorboards. You know, throw a windscreen on it. If you just want to be a hooligan, don't even put a windscreen on it. Throw a loud pipe on it. They're big enough that they're super comfortable, but yet they're not so big that you can just throw them around. So Speedster Johnny, and he's in Georgia area now. He has a base model, and then Beanie Boy in Australia, he's got the F3S, and that is a nice looking bike. Oh yeah, being a hooligan. I noticed when I went and picked it up from the dealer, someone spun that back tire, and they spun it not too long before they parked it, because you could see the scratch marks from where, you know, that back tire picks up dirt. So, you know, hopefully they had fun with it, because I know I have a ton of fun with this old girl. Let's stay in my lane as we come up across this car. A little Chevy Malibu. And if you're ever in the Hocking Hills, stay off 664. Come in any other way. 664, you're just in a train of cars. Any other way, it's usually like this. 374, 180, coming up 56, either direction. Yeah, this is the lane. That's the lane right there. Now, I'm leaving the park, so there shouldn't be, I mean, it's, what, a Thursday? Do you see those flowers? Whoop. I was gonna go and that truck just popped out. Now I'm gonna be behind the train. And normally in February, I'm not riding like this. So hopefully 2012 was the first year I bought a motorcycle, and it was amazing. It was like 80 degrees in March, and I absolutely loved it. So hopefully this year is a lot like that. Hopefully not in March and April it just gets cold, because that would suck, you know, because I put down over 1,000 miles so far this year. See, 40 miles per hour. Motorcycles. See, this is this is the day, I'm telling you. 70 degrees in February, you gotta get out. Like I said, I left work. I was just like, I'm done. I'm done. Got a little blind up there along the woods. So I think I'm gonna let everybody go. I'm gonna listen to some music. Hopefully you like my ramblings today. The old Spyder's doing good. I still haven't done anything with it yet. It's just, you know, chilling for the last 2 years. Chilling. It's just chilling in the yard. So she is running good though. Glad to have it back. Glad to be riding it more. This thing is just a beast of a machine. So on that, give me a big old thumbs up. I love the fingerless gloves. Squirrel. Stay safe, everybody. See you down the road.